Hey guys, so I'm going to be trading my fidgets today. Let's see if anyone wants to. Trading my fidgets, anyone? Hello?
Hi.
Okay. Oh, okay, so this guy's going to be trading. So I'm trading my colourful Orby rainbow squishy, which is so satisfying.
I'll trade the 3D printed dragon snake.
I'd like you to act, actually, because this is so rare.
I would add the Galaxy Infinity Cube.
I accept.
Thank you. I would like to trade the flexible stick.
I mean, a piggy. I've got a piggy, which is Sandfield.
I think I would like you to add.
This cute French fry mochi.
That's tiny.
A cute glittery orange axolotl.
Okay, I accept.
Actually, I would like you to add.
Okay, I'm gonna add the marble thing.
Actually, add.
What? Okay, I'm gonna add the little axolotl.
That is quite cute. But add one more, please.
What? Okay, fine. I'll add the 3D printed lizard.
I accept.
Thank you.
Okay, trading a dumpling. It's glitter. It's the rare dumpling. So it's so rare. You have to trade me loads of stuff if you want it.
I'll give you the red donut.
Okay.
The squishy ball.
Ooh.
A little fake fuzzball with Orbeez.
Oh, that is quite cute though. It's green.
The axolotl that you traded me earlier.
Yeah, I kind of do want it back.
And
it's
the
really
blue
cute.
thing dinosaur.
I mean, my dumpling is really rare though, so I'd like you to add.
A little French fry thing.
Add just
A pig
one more.
Sandfield.
One more, please, because it's really rare.
A rainbow squishy ball.
Actually, please, one more.
Yeah, but that's gonna be all of my squishies. Or blacks.
I accept.